Strategic pressing can greatly reduce the bulk at seam intersections. When 4 triangle squares meet, such as in a pinwheel unit, a bulky knot forms. To reduce the bulk, first clip the stitches in the center seam allowance using a seam ripper or a Havel's snip-a-stitch. Open out the center and then press to pinwheel the seams as shown. Clear out loose threads as needed. Your pinwheeled seam will lay much flatter, making the blocks much easier to quilt through later. When an inset or Y seam comes together, the seams can create a bulky knot. To reduce the bulk, first press the vertical seam open, then rotate the unit and press the seam allowance away from the set-in piece. Make sure to press the front as well, spritzing with starch if desired. Your set-in seam will be flat, crisp, and easy to quilt through.